Hello friends, you are hearing Bodhisattva Solutions, which is under Digital Amartya Group. This course is prepared to provide the basic understanding of manufacturing. Many of us are in the environment of manufacturing. We might be working as IT specialists supporting the manufacturing functions, and a few others might be working in departments such as sales, marketing, stores, procurement, finance, inventory, warehouse, planning, but for a manufacturing operation. So each of us during their work might be dealing with manufacturing things, but we may not be knowing the in-depth understanding of manufacturing or even the basics. As I mentioned, this course is intended to introduce the fundamentals of manufacturing. So this content is for the beginners, anyone from any field who want to learn the basics of manufacturing before getting into in-depth understanding. There may be professionals who are working in any ERP modules relevant to manufacturing, but they might still want to attend this course because they might not jump directly to the product, but without knowing the concepts of manufacturing. And people working in the other functions, as I mentioned, like marketing or finance, costing, sales, inventory, so they also might be interested to understand how this manufacturing is working because they will be interfacing with manufacturing. There might be some people who are working on the ERP products, but probably without any industry background. So, out of all these people, the basics of manufacturing might be missing here and there. They might be performing their regular activities, but there will be some small amount of discomfort when it comes to fundamentals of manufacturing. The purpose of this particular course is to make the audience understand a few basics, and these basics will form the foundation to get further expertise through additional courses or reading through literature and your own experience itself. Digital Amartya is a group company with focus on multiple tracks. They cover virtual CAO services, automation services, business support services, sustainability services, and professional education services. Bodhisattva is the education wing under the group company Digital Amartya. Bodhisattva Solutions have been operational for more than 15 years, providing educational artifacts in the form of study courses, consulting, physical and virtual trainings. You may visit the website to understand more on what our organization will be doing. Let us discuss the course contents. This course is meant for introducing the basics of manufacturing as an industrial function. For beginners who want to start with the basics of manufacturing, this course is a good choice. We start the session with Introduction to Manufacturing. We will try to define manufacturing in the technical and commercial aspects. In this process, we will also try to define a few relevant terms. After that, we will brief about the most popular types of manufacturing in practice. There are many practices in use, but we will try to cover only a few popular types of manufacturing. They include discrete job shop manufacturing, which involves manufacturing the non-standard items of similar quantities according to specific customer requirement. The repetitive manufacturing, which is mass production of similar item or a few items in large quantities. We will cover assemble to order manufacturing, which is explained with examples on how final assemblies to deliver are determined at the time of order capture, how their pricing and costing are done. Then we elaborate on project-based manufacturing, which involves long lead time manufacturing, which generally involves the contract management between customer and manufacturer, and also the contract between the manufacturer and subcontractor. Process manufacturing. Process manufacturing is significantly different from rest of the discrete manufacturing types that we have covered, and process manufacturing is explained in the form of comparison between discrete and process manufacturing, and in that process we will make the students understand what is process manufacturing. The last section will be just in time. Just in time works on the basis of principles like elimination of waste, zero inventory, continuous improvement, mistake proofing, quality management. We will be discussing that as the last topic. The audience of this course can be students of engineering of any discipline, students of industrial management or equivalent disciplines like industrial engineering, production management, or other disciplines, and any other disciplines like product costing or cost accounting can also be welcome to this course to understand the manufacturing fundamentals. ERP aspirants from any discipline can attend this course as a starting point. ERP consultants who are already working in other fields may want to know the basics of manufacturing. Probably it helps them deal better with the subject matter experts of manufacturing in their dealings. I believe you got some good understanding on the content of the course, the target audience, and the course benefits. We wish you all the best. Thank you.